Hello everyone, I am Pavitra, Student Placement Coordinator of Civil 2021 batch. Today's topic is calendar. Before solving the questions on calendar, let's understand the basic concepts and tricks involved in it. We are supposed to find the day of week on a given date. For that, we use a concept called odd days. Number of days more than a complete week is called as odd days. You all know that leap year will be having 366 days. For leap year, to identify the leap year, we have two conditions. Every year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year if it is not a century, and every fourth century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. For example, 400, 600, 800 and 1200, 1600 etc. years are leap years. And 1948, for example, 1948 is divisible by 4, but it is not a century, hence it is a leap year. Or coming for ordinary years will be having 365 days. Counting of, mainly here we are going to count the number of odd days. Counting of odd days. For one ordinary year, we will be having 365 days. So in 365 days, if we divide it by 7, we'll get 52 weeks, and remaining quotient value will be 1 day. That 1 day will be the odd day, and one leap year will be having 366 days, and if you divide it by 7, you'll get 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. Now we need to find number of odd days for 100 years. 100 years will be having 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. For finding leap years, you need to divide it by 4. So if you divide 100 by 4, you'll get 25 leap years. But you can't take 25 leap years. Just subtract 1, because 100th year is not a leap year because it is a century. Hence 24 leap year and 76 ordinary year will be there in 100 years. So 76 into 1 plus 24 into 2 will be 124 odd days for 100 years. So in 124 odd days divided by 7, you'll get 17 weeks plus 5 odd days. So 100 year will be having 5 odd days. So number of odd days in 200 year will be 5 into 2. You'll get 10 days. In 10 days, 7 days is 1 week. So remaining 3 days is 3 odd days. And number of odd days in 300 years will be 15. 5 into 3. So 15, 14 is 2 weeks, and remaining 1 day is an odd day. Next, number of odd days in 400 years will be 5 into 4. Plus you need to add plus 1, because 400 for every 4th century it is a leap year. So in leap year we'll be having 366 days. So you need to add plus 1. So 5 into 4 plus 1 will be 21. 21 is 3 weeks. So you won't get any quotient value there if you divide it by 7. So hence it is 0 odd days in 400 years. Similarly, 400, 600, 800, 1200, 1600 etc. will be having 0 odd day. So this table, day of week related to odd day, this table you need to remember. Number of odd days for each day. For Sunday 0, Monday will be 1, Tuesday 2, similarly for Saturday it is 6. Now let's look into the problem. The first problem is, what was the day on 16 July 1776? So for this you need to find the odd days. For 1775, you need to find the odd days. So split this year into 1600 plus 100 plus 75. So for 1600 year, we know that it's a leap year, so we'll be having 0 odd day. For 100 years, we know that it is 5 odd day. For 75 year, we need to find the number of odd days. For 75 year divided by 4, so we'll get 18.14. So take the integer, that is 18. 18 is leap years. Subtract it from 75. 75 minus 18 will be 57 ordinary year. So to find the number of days, 18 into 2 for one leap year we'll be having 2 odd days. 18 into 2 plus 57 into for ordinary day we'll be having 1 odd day. So we'll get 93 divided 93 odd days divided by 7. So 13 weeks. Remaining quotient value will be 2. So 2 odd days. So 75 years will be having 2 odd days. So total 7 days. So 7 days means 1 week. So 1775 will be having 0 odd day. Now we need to find number of days from January to 16th July. So January will be having 31 day. February. So now here you need to take 29 days because 1776 is a leap year which is divisible by 4 and it is not a century, hence it is a leap year. So take 29, March 31, so on till July 16th. So add all the days, you'll get 198 days. Divide 198 by 7, you'll get 28 weeks and 2 odd days. Therefore, from 1775 is 0 odd day. From January to July 16th, we have 2 odd days. Total 2 odd days. For 2 odd days, the day of the week is Tuesday. Hence 16 July 1776 is Tuesday. Thank you.